The people of Olambe community in Ogun State have been made to suffer a great deal of bad roads for several years. They have been neglected from development in the state, and the thought luck had shined on them in February 2023 when Governor Dapo Abiodun's led administration visited them with tractors and bulldozers before the election. They did a shabby job on the road, but unfortunately, the road became worse than it was 3 months after election. Especially on the Olambe-Giwa Long Road, there is unarguably no time when road users and commuters take the route without saying one or two negative words against Governor Dapo Abiodun's administration for damaging their roads than it was earlier this year. For people headed for Lagos State, Olambe-Giwa Long Road is the best route for them. Hence, they have no choice than to ply the road daily. Many of those staying in Olambe community work in Lagos State, and this means they have no choice than to go through this menace every day. For people in this community, there is no season, dry or rainy, that makes them happy. When it's dry season, the bad situation of their roads is still pronounced. It only gets worse during rainy season. In some sections of the road, it seems as though pits were dug on them, and when commuters ride on this road, they try as much as possible to be careful, skillfully avoid these huge pits on the road. During rainy season, some cars end up falling into these pits. Some spend days before they are removed due to the situation of the road. Many people have been forced to sell or move out of their houses in Olambe community so they can rent houses in Lagos State for the sake of their cars and sanity. Landlords have become tenants due to the situation of bad roads in Olambe community. Trix TV team visited this community to do a first-hand assessment of the situation. We also spoke to some residents, businessmen, and commuters in the community.
gan sọ́kẹ́tì àti ẹni wa kò é lóòjọ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ kan lọ àti shoe break àti gbogbo àwọn mọ́tò gan wọ́n complain ẹni tó ní mọ́tò kan gan sì ó dé ẹni tí ò ní mọ́tò mọ́ láti Ṣàngó dé Bàgà ọ̀nà wọ̀ dára lọ́nà dé máa tọ́gun dọ́ṣẹ́rẹ̀ dé máa dán lórúdú gbogbo ẹ̀ kò sọ́nà kankan tó dáa abẹ́ ìjọba Ogun State kí wọ́n bá ṣe ọ̀nà wa ká lè mọ gbádùn káwọn náà lè wà nírọ̀rùn àmọ́ iye ìgbà mìíràn yẹ pé ẹlòmíì máa síkì bí wọ́n bá fẹ́ gbé lọ sí ọsítù kó tó dé ọsítù torí ọ̀nà tí ọ̀dà kó tó dé ọsítù ọmọ àti kú torí wọ́n bá sọ̀nà tọ́nà dáa gbogbo ẹ̀ máa wà nírọ̀rùn àti pé tí ìjọba bá tún ṣe ọ̀nà tí ìjọba Ogun State tó bá tún ṣe ọ̀nà bíbà àwọn náà tún ní benefit torí àwọn profit wà nínú ìlú Lambẹ tí wọ́n lè táwọn náà lè tí wọ́n lè approve gbogbo nǹkan mèremère tí wọ́n lè ṣe sí Lambẹ sí gbogbo ẹ̀ sí Àkútè sí Lẹ́gùn sí Màìdán sí gbogbo ẹ̀ abẹ̀wọ̀n kí àwọn ìjọba wa kí wọ́n bá a sọ̀nà wa.
Bad road is one of the factors that affect my business a lot, in which I don't even know how to say it, like, because we make use of GG, whereby people call from different states, even from the highland, mainland, Ibadan, wherever. Okay, we all know the benefits of a good road. So we have a bad road in Ogun State, mostly in Ogun State. So whereby we do take our cars to ShopRite in Lagos State, we drive it down to meet clients, which is very, very bad. It's very, very bad for our business. So most time we are the one that do fill the road with sand and all. So the governor should help us to look into it. He should help us to do the road.
Tó fi jẹ́ pé ọmọ Dapo Abiodun wọlé tó gba ìṣàkóso lọ́wọ́ Ìbíkúnlé Amosu tá a dẹ̀ ti inú wa tẹ̀lé ń dùn pé gbogbo ibi tí Ìbíkúnlé bá dé yóò support wa láti jẹ́ pé a bá ọ̀nà náà dé lẹ́bùkọ́ dé a fi mọ́ rìnrìn ayọ̀ wa ṣùgbọ́n látìgbà náà kò sí gbádùn ní Ṣàngó tí Bàgà o bá a bá fẹ́ jáde báyìí owó ribiribi ni àwọn ìyàwó wa ṣe náà ń já sí kòtò tí wọ́n ń já sí gegele ẹ wo bíríìjì tí Ìbíkúnlé Amosu bá wa ṣe ń bẹ̀ yẹn ó ní òjá àsìkò ọmọdé ní òjá sí tàgbà mọ́ tó dò ń gbé wọn lọ ń gbọ́ lọ́kadà ń gbó márúwá lọ mọ́ abẹ́ ìjọba Dapo Abiodun kó tó di pé wọ́n parí ọdún mẹ́rin tí wọ́n ń lò lọ́wọ́ yìí kí wọ́n bá wa gbìyànjú káwa náà mọ rírì ìjọba wọn ládùúgbò wa kí wọ́n bá wa ṣe ìwọ̀nba tágbára wọn bá ká kó tó di pé ànádà ẹlòmíì ò tó wọ ibẹ̀ kọ́lọ̀ mọ́ ba Nàìjíríà jẹ́ kọ́ mọ́ ba lé ẹnìkankan jẹ́ o kọ́ mọ́ ba lé tiwọn náà jẹ́ o ṣùgbọ́n kí wọ́n wà wá mẹ̀kúnnù kí wọ́n wà á ṣe láàánú o ìyà pọ̀ jù lójú ọ̀nà wa yìí o.